Mae mentrau iaith, mae 22 mentrau iaith ar hyd Cymru, a dwi'n gweithio mentrau iaith Cymru, a beth da ni'n neud ydy cefnogi gwaith y mentrau iaith ledled Cymru. So da ni yma heddiw i sôn wrth bobl am y 22 menter gwahanol sy'n a be da ni'n neud. A be mae'r mentrau iaith yn neud ydy cefnogi digwyddiadau yn y gymuned a trio codi'r defnydd o'r Gymraeg mewn cymunedau ar draws Cymru. Ond dwi'n meddwl bod o'n bwysig dod yma heddiw, mae yna gymaint o endidau elusennau gwahanol yma, da ni wedi gwneud lot o gysylltiadau'n barod bore yma, pethau defnyddiol tu hwnt. Mae pobl yn cael clywed amdano ni, amdano mentrau iaith lleol, a da ni wedyn yn deithio nhw beth da ni'n neud, a da ni hefyd yn cael cysylltiadau ni ddefnyddio gwahanol bobl, really, fel bod defnydd y Gymraeg gobeithio'n tyfu yn y trydydd sector yng Nghymru.
I'm current chair of the Institute of Fundraising Committee in Wales, and we're established to provide support to Welsh fundraisers to help them become excellent fundraisers and help their charities to deliver their objectives. As you know, charities in Wales provide fantastic services and really do amazing work to right some of the wrongs that we see, and we're there to help the fundraisers make that happen. It's really important for the Institute of Fundraising in Wales to communicate the message, because fundraisers do such great work but often do it without the support that they need, and so we're here to help them gain the skills that they need and to gain the networks that they need to help them be the best fundraisers they possibly can be, and that in turn will help their organisations deliver the best outcomes for their service users.
Measuring the Mountain is a one-year project. It's funded by Welsh Government and it's covering the whole of Wales. It's coming together of lots of different organisations, and our focus is talking to people and gathering their experiences of social care. So that might be them receiving care, or they might be a carer, or it might be both. And from that, we're hoping to collect hundreds of stories, and then from that, we'll be able to get a feel for what it's like to live in Wales and be involved in social care. And we'll then pull out some key themes and issues that will be addressed in a citizens' jury later on in the year. And all of our findings will be shared through our website and then with Welsh Government to help inform their 3-year evaluation. We really, really want as many people as possible to get involved and share their story, because we want the stories to represent the really diverse communities of Wales that are involved in social care. And today is a really great opportunity to talk to organisations who have members, who are out on the ground, who know lots of people, who can help us spread the message and start supporting people to share their stories, so we can really understand what it's like to be involved in social care.
Mudiad Ieuenctid Gwirfoddol yw Urdd Gobaith Cymru, gath ei sefydlu yn 1922 i roi cyfleoedd trwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg i blant a phobl ifanc, fel bod nhw'n gallu datblygu sgiliau cymdeithasol, personol a ieithyddol, ac yn dod yn dinasyddion Cymru a'r byd. Mae'n bwysig bod yr urdd yn bresennol mewn digwyddiadau fath mwyn i bobl cael gweld yr ystod eang o cyfleoedd ni'n cynnig i bobl ifanc, yr ystafodau, chwaraeon, cynlluniau prentisiaeth, y gwersylloedd, ac hefyd y gwaith ieuenctid da ni'n neud yn lleol sydd yn rhoi addysg anffurfiol ac heb fod yn ffurfiol i plant a phobl ifanc. Ond hefyd i wneud cysylltiadau gyda cyrff eraill, gellau sydd am ddysgu am waith yr urdd, i gydweithio, ond hefyd i ni cael dylanwadu gwaith bobl eraill, pethau trwy gyfrwng Gymraeg, neu i pontio cyfleoedd rhwng aelodaeth yr urdd a mudiadau eraill. Enghraifft, o'n i'n siarad gyda Prifysgol Caerdydd a dweud pa mor bwysig oedd i cael ymchwil academaidd yn maes gwaith ieuenctid a chyfrwng Cymraeg.
We are a funder, so Big Lottery Fund takes the money from the National Lottery. We have a percentage of the ticket sales, and we fund good causes in Wales. So anything really, projects to do with health, education and environment. It's really just to make more people aware of who we are and how they can get funding from us. So we want to try and get our funding out into as many communities as possible in Wales in terms of helping the people that are on the ground. So it can be projects to do with anything. We have funded things that work with prisoners. We've worked with people that help the homeless, people that do community gardens and environmental work. We have various programmes. So we have an Awards for All programme, which is up to £10,000, which is more for those smaller groups that just need some equipment. And we then have our People and Places programme, which is more over 10,000 up to 500,000, and that's for your more bigger community projects. So, and that could be capital and revenue, so we could fund community buildings and things like that.